Can you hear me? Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Children, can you hear me? Hello?
Sir, good evening.
Okay. Yes, tell me, till what we have discussed, we were discussing the question paper. I mean, like we were about to discuss the question paper. Tell me,
Yes,
everyone, yeah, any doubts on the question paper?
Yes, I have a few doubts.
Yes. Can you share the doubts in the voice app?
Okay, sir. So then I'll take like a 3 minutes or so.
Fine. And what about others?
Sir, even I have posted my doubt in the voice app.
Okay, good. The voice app we have posted. Okay.
Sir, have you shared any link?
Yes,
Sir, I shared it, sir.
yes, guys, like, Kavya has shared a question which has, he says that everyone look at the screen.
Sir, did you share your screen?
Sorry. Guys, yes. Prove that x square plus 6x plus 15 has no zero, which means no roots. How can I prove this? Guys, did you, what is your name? What is your name? Kavya, did you just try by using a factorization method?
So like when it has no zero, then how can I factorize it? And what is the point of factorize?
Yeah, there's no part. We have to prove that. And did you try in what are the ways? Yes, very good. That is a valid point. What are the ways you have tried to prove this?
So at first I tried splitting the middle term, but it's not coming. That's it, I've tried.
Okay. What are the ways you have tried again?
Sir, I didn't get this question at all.
Fine. Yes, guys, look at this here. Wait, turn on that, turn on that. No, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Look at this here. Let me write here, guys. Guys, keep, everyone, please, if you have doubts, so please post it out in the voice app.
So we can use like the root formula, right?
Look at this. Yes,
Like,
it is looking like
if
ax
it
squared
cancels.
plus bx plus c quadratic polynomial. What is A here? 1, B here 6, and C is equal to 15. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
And like how many of you know determinant? What do you mean by determinant? I mean discriminant.
So what did you say?
Discriminant. What do you mean by discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. See, we know the formula to solve this quadratic. I mean roots. We know the formula to find out roots, right? Minus b plus or
Yes,
minus
sir.
b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Ha. Look at this here, b square. What is b square here? 36. Yes. What is your name? Piyush was about to say. Piyush was about to suggest something. What was that, Piyush?
Sir, I was saying the same thing, sir. Like, I guess we can try using this method, and maybe the roots will cancel out each other.
Okay. Look at this here. So you, what would you get? 36 minus 60 minus 24, which is less than 0. I'm getting, which is less than I'm getting, which is less than 0. Okay. So discriminant is less than 0. Then what is the case here? What is the case? Or else you, as you told that, can we use by using, can we do by using splitting middle term method? X square plus 6x plus 15. For making it a completing square method, for making this polynomial as a completing square, what I have to do? What I have to add and subtract? What I have to add and subtract, guys? Completing square method you will be learning in your class 10th. For making it a perfect square, what are the things I have to add and subtract? Tell me. X square. So what is half of this?
3x.
3x, right? Square of that. So look at this. Okay, so 6x plus 9
Plus 6.
minus 9 plus 15. Can I do like this? So x plus
Okay, sir.
3 square minus plus how much? 6. Am I correct? Isn't it? I'm adding and
How did
subtracting.
you get 9? Okay.
9. Yes, look at this. That is a method called completing square method. You'll be learning in class 10. See, I just add and subtract. How did you get to know that we have to add and subtract plus 9 here? Always for doing that, what you have to do here? 2ax. What is the x coefficient here?
6.
6, right? Equal to the 2a. Always. So what is a value now?
3.
3.
Add and subtract square of the a here. What is the square here? 9. Okay? Square of a. So what I did here? Square of the half of the coefficient of x. Square of the half of the coefficient of x I have added and subtract so that I can get my term back. Is it clear? Square of the half of the coefficient of x term. That is what called as completed square method. We will be learning in class 12.
So like, why did we do 9 minus 9? We know it will be 0 only, right? So what's the point?
That is what I'm saying, Babu. Look at this here. I'm saying that 9 minus 9 gives you 0. Again, this, I'm getting a back. I'm getting my polynomial back. Look at this here. For making the entire polynomial in terms of a perfect square, I'm just adding and subtracting minus 9 here. So this one gives me what? A plus b whole square. A square plus 9, b square is 9 plus 2ab, which gives me what? 6x. So 9 minus 15 minus 9, how much? 7, so 6. Isn't it? If you solve this, so you will get it back. This one. If you solve this, so you will get this back. You understand my point? Anything is correct only, right? Whatever I have done. Yeah. So now, see, what are the roots here? Tell me. What are the, for every real number, what is the value of, look at this, for every real number, what is the value of this expression? Tell me, what is the, you understood my point. for every real number, the value of x plus 3 whole square and 6, what will happen?
Sir, only 0, sir.
No, try to understand what I'm trying to say. For every real number, beta, whatever the real number you substitute negative, positive, whatever you substitute, it will be always positive. X plus 3 whole square will be always positive. You understood, Kavya?
Yes, sir.
Here, whatever the for all, what is the symbol? What this symbol denotes here? For all real numbers, x plus 3 whole square and 6 will be always positive.
Yes, sir.
It's always positive. It can be greater or equal to 6. Do you agree with my point? You understand my point? Greater or equal to 6. Greater or equal to 6. Now look at x plus 3 whole square and 6. Or else for all real numbers, the above expression is going to be never negative. Why? Because I have square here. Greater or equal to 6. Equal to 6. Now by looking at this, so now here, if I verify this beta, if I verify, so what would I get? See, you verify this. You understand my point?
So you get the same, the above question.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I didn't get it.
No, you are saying something.
So if you verify, you'll get the same answer, right?
You will verify, you will get the same answer. So what I'm saying is, what is the answer of this? For every real number, what is the answer is going to be? What is the answer is going to be?
So greater than 6 or equal to 6.
See here, your discriminant itself negative. Guys, how many of you know discriminant? How many of you discriminant?
I don't know, sir.
I think you might have. Okay, this is a class 10th concept. No problem. We'll discuss in the class 10. No problem. But I'll teach you in advance only. No problem. See here, if you for every real number, look what is f of x given here. F of x मुझे क्या दिया है? You can prove x square. Here discriminant is negative. By using that also you can say that there is a no real root. I mean there is a no root. You understand my point? There is a no has no zero. Has no zeros means no root. So f of x is what given? X square plus 6x plus 15. Okay. And look at this. Where is that? F of x is equal to this one given. Close that, ma. No, close it. The mosquitoes are coming. Close it. Yeah. Guys, here discriminant. See here, from this itself, I can conclude discriminant is negative, so there is no zero. That is the only one way we can just go for. The discriminant is 0. Discriminant is negative. There is no real root. I mean, there is no root. You can't say real root. There is no root. Whenever discriminant is 0, there is no root. That is the one prove method, and I can just prove by this method as well by using completed square method. If at all, if you want to solve in any other method, you have this method as well. You can say, look at this here.
Can I explain discriminant again?
Yes, definitely. Why not? देखो मैंने अभी फिर से explain करूँगा आपको. What is f of x given here? You can explain this as well. 6x plus 15. So what for making this as a completing square, what can I write? 6x 9 plus 6 can I write? 9 plus 6. That is what we have written, isn't it? Look at this here. But मैंने क्या लिखा था इधर देखो.
Yes, sir.
Added and subtracted x square 6x plus 9 plus minus 9 plus 15. So x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 6. This is what I have written. So now if I just write this as a perfect square like this will be always, मैंने क्या बताया था? This will be always, कभी भी हमेशा greater than 0 या equal 0 होगा. उससे छोटा तो नहीं हो सकता, isn't it? Getting my point? Plus 6 is always greater than 0. It never can be x plus 3 equal to 0 plus 6 is not, it never gonna be the 0. It's never gonna be the 0, then how come you find out? You understand my point? What is your name? Kavya ji. If at all
Yes,
like yeah, उसको मैंने क्या x से I mean 0 से इक्वेट करने के बाद मुझे x वैल्यू मिलेगा, मगर वो इक्वल 0 के बराबर ही नहीं है, तो कैसे मैंने इक्वेट करूंगा? You understand my point?
yes, sir.
You understand my point? I can't equate with a 0 since it is always greater than 0 बेटा, समझ में आ रहा है? So for finding that what we have to, for finding any root, देखो मैंने क्या बताऊंगा आपको, x square minus 3 x square minus 4 is equal to 0. How do you factorize this? X square
4 by x square.
no x minus 2 into x plus 2, can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So I can
Yes.
write equal to 0. आपको समझ में आ रहा है काव्या? I can just equal to 0 here. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
so
sir.
x is equal 0, x is equal minus 2 मिल रहा है, मैंने इधर 0 के इक्वेट ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो कहाँ से मिलेगा मुझे? So that is the safest proof to prove that the given quadratic polynomial has no roots. ठीक है?
Yes,
And
sir.
one more thing, discriminant आपने पूछ रहा था ना, discriminant, ये discriminant आता है quadratic equation में, ax square plus bx plus c, this is a quadratic equation, right? Discriminant is nothing but I denote with the d, b square minus 4ac. I always denote discriminant with the b square minus 4ac. This part is what in the formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. ये formula होता है ना, whatever the formula you have inside a square root, that is gives you discriminant. अगर discriminant 0 होगा, अगर discriminant equal होगा, अगर discriminant less than 0 होगा, there are several roots. अगर discriminant equal to 0 होगा, तो एक तरह की, like one type of roots you will get. If discriminant equal to 0, you will get equal roots. If discriminant less than 0, you will get imaginary roots. ये देखो, here you will get real roots. Here equal roots. Here imaginary roots. This is a concept in 10th standard, like in 10th and 11th. I'll just teach you there as well. Guys, here discriminant कभी भी देखो, हमेशा हमको like look at this here. For after solving a quadratic equation, आपको जो भी roots मिलेगा ना, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? After solving a quadratic equation, you will get such root, right?
Yes, sir.
For deciding those roots, whether they are real, whether they are imaginary, whether they are equal, वो किस तरह की roots है? For deciding that, we will use discriminant. Like why do we use? For deciding the nature of the roots. What kind of roots are they? Nature. कैसे real है कि equal है कि imaginary? For defining, for deciding the nature of the roots, we will use discriminant. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? People. Yes,
So, sir, in this case, we can just prove that discriminant is since it's lesser than 0, it doesn't have a root.
Yes, exactly. And one more case, look at this, and you can say that. Look at this here. देखो, I'm not able to equate with 0. How can I find out then? You should understood my point.
Yes, sir.
That is right. And what is your question? You also posted it out, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Yeah. So, can you please refresh it?
One second, I think. Kavya, hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
One second, guys. I'm not able to.
Sir, down one, sir. Quizzed out, maths quizzed out.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So,
This kind of questions, I don't know how to do it. Sir.
no problem. Oh, wait a minute. Yes. Yes, perfect. Look at this here. Yes, 1 second. It is. Guys, it is a probability question, right?
So first one is probability.
Yeah.
Last two are Heron's formula.
No problem. No problem. I'll discuss it. 1 second. Oh, I'm not able to select this. Yeah. Everyone, look at this, guys. In a dryer, there are 16 white socks, 4 black socks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There are 6 white socks, black, brown, 2. You pick out of, pick out a sock, replace it. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Brown 2, you are placing it. You pick out a sock, replace it, then pick out a second sock. Okay, you understand my point? See, whatever you are picking it out, you have to replace it back with any other sock. Then you have to pick a second sock. So what is the probability that you will pick a brown then black sock? You understood the question here?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And guys, how many of you did this question? How many of you got the answer? How many of you got this? Such a brilliant question. This is like, somewhat advanced concept of probability, I would say. Okay?
The question, but I got the answer wrong.
Okay. Total कितना stock है? देखो 1, 2, 3 types of stocks. Total how many?
12.
Total
12, sir.
12 socks. All right. So there are 6 white, 4 black, and 2 brown. You pick out a sock, replace it, then pick out a second sock. What is the probability that you will pick a brown then black sock? See here. See, if I pick out a sock, I'm just picking out a sock. What is the probability? 1 by 12. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then pick out a second sock. What is the second probability?
1 by 12.
Yeah.
1 by 11 because we are not picking the same sock.
1 by?
Sir, like
You are
can it
replacing
be
it,
1 by 11 because we're not picking the same sock?
No. What I'm trying to say here, are you?
So we are replacing, right? So it will become 1 by 12 only.
Yeah, we are replacing. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You understood, Piyush? Hello? Piyush, are you here?
Sir, I said yes, sir. Understood.
See, I'm just picking a sock, which is what is the probability of just picking that? 1 by 12. I'm just picking the second sock. Picking the second sock. That is also 1 by 12, isn't it?
Yes,
Probability
sir.
of, but because we are replacing, what is the probability that you will pick a brown then black sock? Picking a brown then black sock. Tell me.
So, sir, it will be 2 by 12 plus black sock, meaning 4 by 12.
2 by 12?
Plus 4 by 12.
Okay.
So 1 by 2, but there's no option there. That way.
No. One second. Sujay is joining here. Try to understand what I'm trying to say here. For suppose same question, if I just twist and ask, I'll just twist and ask the question so that you will understand. See, if I have 6 black, beta, 6 white, not black, 6 white, 4 black socks, and 2 brown. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If I select any 2 socks at randomly, same color का socks मिलने का probability क्या है? Probability of getting a same color sock at a time. is what? Tell me.
So your voice is breaking a bit.
So 1 by 12.
Sir,
Can you hear
10.
me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. I'm saying that what is the probability of getting two same color socks? What is the probability of getting not two same color socks? We don't have same color socks. Let's say the 6 white you have and 4 black you have and 2 red you have, right? What is the probability of getting 2 red and 4 black?
So 6 by 12.
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
So 6 by 12.
Yeah. हाँ देखो 6/12. If at all I change the question, night देखो 1 second people. No more. Close it. Just a minute, children. Yeah, fine. Yeah. No, thank you. Yes, I'm sorry, children. So there was a small disturbance from my side. A small kid is disturbing, every day. So since I'm at home. Yes, what is the given? What is the probability that you will pick a brown and a black sock? See, first sock. What is the first sock? Probability of getting first sock is what? First look at is brown, right? So first sock, probability of first sock. First sock is what? Brown, right? Probability of first sock brown. क्या होता है? What is the first sock brown, beta? Tell me. Hello.
2 by 12.
2 by 12.
2 by 12.
Yes,
2 by
sir.
12. 2 out of 12. ठीक है? मेरे पास कितना ना 1 by 6. What is the probability of second sock? Second sock क्या होता है? Second sock black क्या होता है?
4 by 12.
4 by 12. तो मुझे कितना मिलेगा? 1 by
1 by 3.
then probability of getting, he is talking about what? Pick.
Brown first, then black.
Look at it here. What is the probability that you will pick brown then black whenever you get this type of situation? कितना देखो. Therefore the probability of brown and then black is what? 1 by 6 into 1 by 3. Multiply करना है. Whenever you get this type of situation, multiply this. You will get 11th standard only. It's a very somewhat advanced question. It is not your question. This is 1 by 18. What was the answer? 1 by 18 is the answer.
Okay, sir. I'll check it afterwards.
Yeah, you check it 1 by 8. Wait, we are opening again and again. Yeah. I hope it is clear. So you see,
It's 1 by 18.
1 by 18 is the correct answer. 1 by 18.
Yes,
देखो,
sir.
whenever this type of situation you get बेटा multiply करना, ठीक है? हाँ. देखो next question. हाँ. The area of the triangle given. What is the semi-perimeter? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Area of the triangle given 150.
Square centimeter.
Area of the triangle given. Area of the triangle given 150 square centimeter, and its sides are in the ratio. One 150 square centimeter. 3:4:5. What is the perimeter? देखो perimeter का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the perimeter?
Sum of all sides.
Sum of all sides. So perimeter is equal to, let's say that sum of all sides, let's say that A, B, C half. A plus B plus C. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I don't know each side. They are the ratio given. The ratio of the sides. What he has given? 3:4:5. Right? I don't know the ratio. I mean, I don't know each side. He has given the ratio. Can I take 3x, 4x, 5x?
Yes, sir.
So sum of, so then let the sides क्या होगा 3x, 4x and 5x. Sum of all these sides क्या होता है? Is what? Perimeter.
Yes, sir.
So all the sides are different. Beta, देखो, all the sides are different ratio. Then definitely be scalar. What triangle? It is not equivalent. It is not a scale. I mean, it is definitely scalar triangle, isn't it? Scalar triangle. It is not a equivalent triangle. It is scalar triangle definitely, since all the sides are different here. Okay. What is the formula? Area of the triangle formula क्या होता है? S into S minus A
Into S minus B into S minus C.
into S minus C. This is the formula. Okay, what is S value here? मुझे बताओ S का value क्या होता है? A plus B plus C, right? Semi perimeter. ठीक है?
I do.
No. So what is the I mean, what is the S value? 3x. How much is 712, right?
12x, 6x, sir.
12x by 2, which is gives you 6x. ठीक है? तो
Yes,
S
sir.
value तो substitute करो इधर.
Yeah, when I did that, I was getting answer as 6, not 60.
No problem. 6x minus 3x into 6x minus 4x. 6x minus, bit lengthy, but you have to solve it. Guys, are you getting any noise from my side? Okay, actually, you here, neighbor was like,
No,
Well,
sir.
no noise, sir. It's very quiet, in fact.
okay. Okay. I thought they are making noise. I think you are getting noise from my side. Okay, no problem.
So answer 6:12.
देखो कितना आएगा 3 12 12 72. How much you get, beta?
So 6:12.
6x square. 6x fourth, actually.
Yes, so then
Yeah.
after that 6:12.
Yes, sir.
36 x to the power of 4.
Yes,
Area,
sir.
how much
Then
given?
6:12.
Area, how much given? Area 150, right?
Area is equal to
150. Sir, I
150.
got the answer as
So this can be
150 is equal to
this can be
6x.
as what, beta? 6x square, right? If I do, I mean 6
Yes,
x
sir.
square whole square means
Yes, sir.
6 square.
Yes, sir.
So x square is equal to what?
20.
6 1 6 2 6 5. So x square is equal to 25.
X is equal to 5.
5.
X is equal to 5.
x is equal to 5 तो देखो साइड्स क्या होगा मेरा
So
a का
15, 20, 25.
15 b
3x is equal to 15,
4x
20,
is
20,
equal to
25.
25. Okay, yes, sir.
20, 26. 5x is equal to 25.
45, 60.
what exactly is asking us to find out then?
Perimeter.
Perimeter, yes,
Perimeter,
sir.
sir.
Got it, sir.
Perimeter क्या होगा? Perimeter देखो सबको ऐड कर देंगे तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? What is the perimeter, beta?
We could do it directly by 12x. Right?
Yeah, perfect. I'm for understanding everyone purpose like 20 plus 25 कितना मिलेगा? Easy, right? 60.
Yes, sir.
60.
I didn't multiply the x's, that's why.
Oh, cha. Which x you didn't multiply here? It's this
Sir,
one?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one, 6, instead of 6x, I took 6. That's why I was getting wrong answer.
Oh, okay. Just take it. Now, what is the area of the scalar triangles? If the area of the scalar triangle is better, look at it. This is also very, very good question. How many of you solved it? How many of you solved this?
I got a similar answer, but not exact answer. So I just approximated it, like estimated.
What about others?
I did not get it, sir.
So I did get it.
What about no one?
guessed it.
Everyone
Well,
guessed it?
I guess so.
Okay, no problem. Let me teach you. देखो, guess नहीं इधर. Find the area of the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is nothing but isosceles triangle is if the area of the isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter. ठीक है. And find its perimeter. Perimeter find out करना है. तो perimeter of isosceles triangle क्या होता है? This is very quite simple actually. So if I take formula, what is the formula? 8 is equal to half into base into height. Can I take directly? I don't know base and height here. So let us say let b is equal to x. Base is equal to कुछ भी x ले लो, height is equal to I'm solving directly data. So
Okay.
height is equal to कुछ भी ले लो, भी x मान लो, ठीक है? ठीक है? कुछ भी ले लो 8. So half is equal to x into x is equal to 8. तो x square is equal to 16. x is equal to कितना मिलेगा 4. ठीक है? 4 centimeter. यहाँ given centimeter है, so centimeter. ठीक है? This is what my base and height. Why? Because like you know, can I say base and height are same here? See here, if I just take a right angle triangle here, मेरा base क्या होगा 4, height भी 4 हो गया, तो दोनों साइड सेम होगा तो isosceles triangle ही होगा ना वो. Is it clear? हाँ.
Yes.
What is the other side then? What is the other side? Okay, so b square plus.
Now we can use Heron's formula for equating again.
Yeah, देखो क्या मुझे क्या मिलेगा देखो. Base 4, height 4, then hypotenuse क्या होगा?
Root 32. 4 root 2 basically.
So hypotenuse square is equal to 4 square plus 4 square. So height is equal to what? Square root of 32. Height is
So 4
equal
root
to
2.
4 times of root 2. 4, हाँ 16 to 32. Yes, 4 root 2. ठीक है बेटा? Any doubts here till this? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Oh, एक minute people.
Okay, sir. So it will be 8 plus 4 root 2.
That's it. Therefore, perimeter क्या होगा? Perimeter is a very simple question. I just surprised many of you haven't solved perimeter of the given
8 plus 4.
Isosceles triangle is 4 plus 4 plus 4 root 2. So 8 plus 4 root 2 you will get. Any option you have here? 8 plus 4 root 2. Option D is correct.
Yes, sir,
Therefore,
that's it.
it's clearly option 4 is correct here. Any doubts here, people?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Just a minute, children. I have 10th class right now. Let me pause the. Yeah. Any doubts, but my God. Any doubts? What about
No
others?
doubt, sir.
Anyone has posted the doubt? Then if you don't have
No,
doubt,
sir.
shall we have a small quiz and wind it up the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What say?
Yes, sir, we'll have a quiz.
Yes, sir.
And guys, you know, you have to ask the doubt. I mean, if you have like, you know, if you don't have doubts, that is fine. But like, you know, those who are having doubt, please, you can ask me the doubts clearly, no problem. Shall we write a quiz one more on Heron's formula? I think Heron's formula, all the quizzes are giving, you know, same questions actually. So let us not write a quiz on that. So let us write one more quiz. What topic shall we write? Make it fast. Decide it. Come on, make it fast. We have only 10 minutes of time to left.
So polynomials.
Polynomial.
so
Polynomial. How many times we have to write polynomial?
No.
Sir, anything you wish.
See, sir, this time I didn't ask polynomial.
Say your wish, whatever.
No, if you are really weak at polynomials, no problem. You just go with that.
Okay,
That's
sir,
right.
let it. Sir, we are in a polynomial so many times.
Yes, so many
Then
times.
we can do some random topic better.
देखो बताओ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We'll go with some other topic in next class. So who is asking polynomials? I mean, no problem if you are weak at
No,
the
so
polynomials.
No, sir, I
quadrilaterals.
just said
So
one
what about
chapter.
quadrilaterals?
Yeah, ठीक है. Quadrilaterals, quadrilaterals. चलो फटाफट शुरू कीजिए.
So it's not there.
Yes, sir, you haven't shared it.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 second. I think I have. Begin. Let's begin. Everyone join the quiz. Come on.
Sir, I'm unable to join.
Could you please mute? There's some noise.
Yeah, no, that quiz noise, it makes noise.
Oh, okay.
It is a quiz noise, it always makes noise, that's why. Okay, join it.
Oh,
Everyone, I
okay,
started the
sir.
quiz. Come on.
I've finished.
Finished? Very good. So is it a easy quiz?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes,
finished. Sir,
Easy, but
finished.
only one of the questions is wrong, sir.
Wrong, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that all of them are right.
Okay. No problem. See, it happens in a quiz, like, no, we can't modify the question. Leave such questions.
You can end it.
I'll end it. Let me share this.
Sir, quiz is there.
So Piyush first, Kavya second, Pranav third. But in fact, you all got 100%. Very good. But
So I didn't attempt questions, two
Why?
questions.
Why Aditi?
Sir, I had last two questions, so before I could on my mic, you ended the quiz.
Ayyo, no problem. But you got 3 questions wrong here.
Yes.
So one doubt, sir, how do you skip the questions in between?
Sorry?
Yes, sir. And mine also, I didn't have proper net
Yes, sir, like
connection,
almost
so
completed, but in between the questions were skipping, sir. Like one of my question was skipped in between.
Oh.
I only attempted 7 questions.
Acha. And okay, no problem. See, it is a easy quiz, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one question is.
No problem, no problem, no problem. Everyone might have done. I think Pranav, Sujay 80%, Harini 80, Aranya 70. Ananya, you got 3 wrong. Shreyan, you got 3 wrong. Modita, you got 3 wrong. Aditya, you got 3 wrong. Aditi, you got 3 wrong, and you did not attempt 2 questions. Okay, so 5 questions correct, so 50%. No problem, Aditi. All the best for the next exam. No problem. Anyhow, I just normally only conducted this quiz. No problem.
Sir, like at the end, if you make a mistake also, they'll give you a chance to attempt it again.
Redemption.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
That's
So
but
you want me
yes,
to conduct this again?
No, sir.
No, sir. I'm just informing, sir.
And
So
yeah, I know that. I know the play again. You can just play again actually. Can you see the play again button here?
Yes, sir.
You can just click on that. Aditi, you want me to conduct again? Aditi?
No, sir.
No, sir, it's fine, sir.
Okay. What about others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Ania 40%.
Anything is okay, sir.
Sayaba 50. Aditi. Okay. So perfectly.
So I didn't have network proper, so it just went away. The
Okay.
questions were running away.
No problem. No problem. Okay. So this is what the today's class is all about. Tomorrow we'll come up with a new quiz, and you can discuss it later. I mean the quiz, and after that we'll discuss the question paper as well. Okay. Thank you.